So we have merchant SIM, agent SIM, and subscriber SIM card on MTN. So if an MTN user and don't know any of this SIM and the user of this SIM and how and where can you get such SIM card from, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. Stay with me. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and like our video, comment or put it on the comment section the kind of SIM card that you want. Let's get started. So now let's begin with the merchant SIM. When we talk of merchant SIM is a kind of SIM or a type of SIM from MTN Ghana, and MTN Ghana give this SIM to people who are businesses or own a business, or let me say they are SIM that they give to people who withdraw huge sum of money. And when we are talking of these people, we can say they are businessmen, because if you don't have any work to do with a business, you don't need to own or a huge sum of money on your SIM card. So these are the type of SIM card MTN issue to people or issue to business owners who always hold a huge sum of money on their SIM card. So these people, they can be traders, they can be businesses online, offline, or they can be a lot of stars. So it allowed them to hold such a huge sum of money. And the benefit of this SIM is that when you're using a merchant SIM and in case you want to transfer money, there's no charge for you, and for withdrawal there's no charge for you. So that's why sometimes if you go to a business or a company, they will tell you to send the money to this kind of number, and they'll give you a merchant code for you to use that merchant code. That's how the merchant SIM works. But before we go to and look at how you can get one, let's look at the agent SIM. MTN agent SIM is a type of SIM card MTN give to people who want to work with MTN. So that's the SIM, those who do MoMo. They send our money, they transfer our money, they withdraw our money, they deposit our money for us. These are the type of SIM that these people use. So these people, they are issued for business purposes. In case you don't have a business to do with MTN, like doing MoMo and transferring money and starting a business like the MoMo business, you don't need an agent SIM. The reason why they call it an agent is that this scheme, you work with MTN, so you become their agent at some point, so that you'll be assisting people to be able to use the MTN MoMo. And this SIM, the benefit is that those people who use the SIM, they make money from this SIM by transferring money and withdrawing money. So when they transfer money to people, they earn a commission. And these are money, when you are transferring money, they will tell you that add this amount of money to the total amount you want to earn. So the one that you add, it's the owner or the person doing it, it goes to his or her pocket. And also for transferring, MTN give them a commission based on that one. Okay, so these are the benefits that these people earn with it. So in case you don't want to do a MoMo business, you don't need an agent SIM. For the merchant SIM, in case you don't want, or you don't have a business, you don't hold you sum of money, there's no need for you to have a merchant SIM. Now we have looked at all this stuff. How can you get one of these SIM? Let's first look at the merchant SIM. How do you get it? First document that you need is your Ghana card. You have a Ghana card, then you need a business certificate. In case you have a Ghana card and you have a business certificate, you go to any MTN office, then you present your business certificate and your Ghana card. They will look at it and then they will issue the SIM for you. Let's look at the agent SIM. Agent SIM is for the business purposes, to make money, do your MoMo SIM and transfer MoMo and stuff, and then also registering or sending credit and stuff. But for this SIM, since from 2021, MTN have stopped giving this SIM out. A lot of people have been going or visiting MTN office because they want to do business with this one. And they always tell you, go come, konebra. The problem or the rare truth is they have stopped giving this SIM card, or they have postponed it, or they have hold on for some time. The reason is that at first, MTN opened a window for any other person who is interested to do business with them, so that they can register and start using MoMo. And you know, Ghanaians, our mindset and our behavior, a lot of people take this advantage. They registered a lot of SIM card. A lot of people registered more than 5 SIM and then they go out there and put this SIM out there without using it. And on that time, when you want a SIM card, you go to MTN, speak with them, then they will ask you a business certificate. You don't have some. Some of them, they created some for people, and then they issue this card for them. When they receive this card, they go out there and put the card there without using them. So it became shortage for MTN for that type of SIM. And if you look at their system, the kind of people who came for the SIM, or the total number of SIM that they have given out, not all of them are working. Okay, so they find out that people just come in and get the SIM because it is free. They come in, they collect the SIM, they go out there and put it there. Others also come in, take that the SIM, and then they sell it out. And instead of using it for the business purposes, they were using it to do bad things. So that let them hold on for some time. But when questions come from MTN, instead of them to tell you the truth, they begin telling you do this and hold on and stuff. So go and come and stuff. So the problem now is that MTN, since from 2021, they have hold on agent SIM. But you can get an agent SIM. Let me show you how to get an agent SIM. To get an agent SIM for this Momo business, one, in case you need some, go to someone who is doing a Momo, either your friend or relative or someone that you know. Ask the person. Those people have access to people, especially those who registered the SIM without using them. Maybe someone have come and requested to sell his or her SIM. They can contact the person for you and you get the SIM. But for this one, if you are going for that SIM, make sure you get the business certificate of it. If the person didn't give you the business certificate and you got any problem when you are doing your business, it's your own wahala, because that one you will suffer before MTN will assist you out. So the best way is to buy the business certificate and then you buy the SIM too, or you buy the SIM, then you get your business certificate. And the actual amount that I can give you, it range from 2,000 up to 3,000 Ghana cedi. It depends on the person that you are buying the SIM from. And then we've seen a lot of people also promoting it out there. I have agent SIM, I have this. You can go for that SIM, but if the business certificate is not part, anytime you get an issue, you face it yourself. The issue that I'm talking about is in case you made a mistake and you forget your password and you enter wrong password and your SIM is locked, or your SIM gets locked, for you to open it, unless the person who sell the SIM for you or to you will be the one that would come in and open the SIM for you, because without the business card you cannot open it. And the next thing for you to get this SIM is we are get some people who have access to some of these MTN workers. Some of them can get access and get you one. Okay, so in case you need one, this is the process that you will pass through before you can get agent SIM. But the truth is, MTN is no longer giving an agent SIM to anyone. So in case someone is telling you, I'm from MTN, I'm selling an agent SIM to you, come and pay this amount, no, don't go. And if you are buying any agent SIM, make sure you get the SIM card plus the business certificate. Without the SIM card and the business certificate, you cannot use it. And change of number and stuff, that one I don't have any idea about it, so I cannot talk about it. Okay, so the most important thing is that you have the business certificate. If you have the business certificate and you face any challenges, you can go to MTN, then they will assist you and help you out. And someone may ask, what is the kind of SIM that we are using right here? This SIM we call a subscriber. Okay, our normal SIM that we use to making calls and for registering mobile money transfer, receiving and stuff, they call it a subscriber. You are a subscriber. Okay, so subscriber SIM, that's the name for that SIM card. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, like, comment the type of SIM or the kind of SIM that you want. Let's assist you get one. Shalom.